Sister Wives, Build Me Up Buttercup.
Mary prettiest floral outfits after glam body transformation.
I will explain everything.
Watch this video until end.
Hi lovely viewers.
Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel.
Sister Wives Mary Brown is showing off her body transformation with new floral outfits. Mary was the first wife of Kody Brown, and she pioneered the polygamous lifestyle the Brown family lived in for years. When the family joined Sister Wives, Kody was married to Christine Brown and Janelle Brown and was in the process of courting his now only wife, Robyn Brown. Mary and Kody had a difficult relationship that was strained after she started talking to another man online and found out a woman was catfishing her. After she broke Kody's trust, their relationship was never the same.
Kody often neglected Mary and chose Robyn over all of his other wives. The real reason Christine left Kody is he didn't want an intimate marriage with her, something Mary's relationship also lacked. Mary finally left Kody in Sister Wives season 18, and she been on a path of self-discovery since. Mary began her weight loss journey after splitting from her ex-husband, and is showcasing her glam body transformation with new fashion styles. As the foundations would say, build me up buttercup, because Mary is looking better than ever post-split from Kody. Mary was glowing on Instagram in a buttercup yellow floral top. Each Friday, Mary hosts her own Fridays with Friends series on Instagram to cultivate a community with friends. She typically goes live on Instagram with her friend, Jen Sullivan, who has offered her support throughout the years. Mary started Fridays with Friends during the pandemic as something to look forward to each week during isolation. She was secluded in her marriage with Kody for years, so it's a nice change of pace to see Mary happy rather than sad. Mary and Kody began having serious problems after she virtually cheated on Kody. Mary thought she was talking to a man but was talking to a woman she met in person. Kody felt betrayed by the situation, though Mary believes that they were dealing with issues before that, which led her to form another relationship. During an episode of Sister Wives Look Back, How We Started, Kody said the catfishing incident still upsets him because Mary is in full denial of what actually happened roughly 8 years later. The experience of Mary catfish makes me extremely angry. From then on, Kody was checked out from his marriage with Mary for the rest of their relationship. They broke up after being together for 33 years during Sister Wives season 18. During the video footage from Mary's Instagram live, she was beaming. Mary been looking so much happier since she split from Kody. She always has a good time with Jen, who her closest friend and support system. Instead of spreading negativity after getting divorced, Mary has chosen to spread positivity with her Fridays with Friends Instagram live series. Mary beamed in a yellow, peach, and brown floral top on her Instagram. She had exciting news for her followers, announcing more details about her bed and breakfast retreat, Ligi Heritage. I am so excited, she said. Mary tracked her experience, buying her great-grandparents' old home on Sister Wives and transforming it into a bed and breakfast. Throughout Sister Wives season 18, Mary told the family about her plans to move from Flagstaff, Arizona to Parowan, Utah, so she could focus on the B&B. The B&B was Mary's escape from Kody and his controlling tendencies. It gave Mary something to look forward to while her marriage was failing. While the B&B used to be owned by her great-grandparents, Mary didn't inherit the home and had to purchase it herself. She borrowed $40,000 from the family to do so. It was a hot topic on the show, and it's great to see the investment has paid off. Mary is happy operating her B&B and takes great pride in the business. The reality star took some time to relax at the beach in a boho halter top. On Instagram, Mary posed for a selfie with the bright water and the beach in the background. She towered over a railing and looked very happy in the picture. Mary expressed that she was enjoying her life, even though her marriage with Cody had ended in the caption of the Instagram post. She hinted at enjoying the single life, writing adventuring when I want, relaxing when I need, businessing because I can, just killing it at life. If you're not doing the things you want to in your life, look at little changes you can make daily to get you to where you want to go. The Mary that fans see in Sister Wives is a stark contrast to the personality she showcases on social media. On Sister Wives, she constantly navigating deep and dark conversations about the Brown family. When she started the show, Mary looked happy and healthy. However, as the series went on throughout the years, she began looking sad and miserable. Currently, Mary is doing much better after losing weight and leaving her marriage. Mary shows her weight loss on Instagram with full body photos. In a full body shot, Mary's body looked slim and peaceful, throwing up two peace signs toward the mountains in the distance. She posed with her arms up, wearing a floral shirt and cut off shorts, highlighting her glam body transformation. She shared some words of wisdom via the caption, writing, "Reach up, rise up, lift up." She continued to write about how important it is to set goals for yourself and to learn from someone who encourages and inspires you. Mary's post was inspirational, and the caption heightened the message she shared. Her fans were supportive in the comments on the Instagram post. "Looking good, girl. Love the top." Another user commented the glow up that Mary had since leaving Cody, writing, "I'm just happy to see you happy." It was time for Mary and Cody relationship to be called off during Sister Wives, season 18. Though it was a difficult conversation, her life is much better for it. Sister Wives star Mary has been moving on with her life since leaving Cody. In Sister Wives, one of the best reality TV shows, Mary looked miserable in her marriage. She was always cast aside by her husband, no matter how much Robin wanted her relationship with Cody to work out. In her confessional moments, she rarely smiled or looked happy. Since her split, Mary has undergone a glam body transformation, experimenting with floral fashions she posts on social media. Sister Wives star Mary Brown hasn't given up on the idea of love, even after having a failed platonic marriage. She again jumped back into the dating realm and was eager to find her soulmate. Hence, viewers were curious to know more about her relationship status when wedding rumors started to surface on the internet. Many sources started to claim that Mary had walked down the aisle for the second time. They even shared proofs of it. Though Mary didn't respond to any of them initially, she recently decided to talk about it. The celeb finally cleared the air and revealed if she had actually exchanged vows for the second time or not. Sister Wives star Mary Brown has been in the headlines because of her worthy up business these days. She launched her own brand and has been busy promoting it on social media. However, the celeb recently took to Instagram and revealed that she became the talk of the town, not because of her business, but because of her 4 marriages. Mary shared a collage that had 4 different edited pictures of her wedding. It featured her wearing the wedding gown, and posing with 4 men as her groom. The celeb could not stop laughing and wrote in her caption, "Apparently I also got married 4 times," she added, "and I'm sure there are more to come." Mary then made it clear that all of these were merely speculations, and that she hadn't walked down the aisle. She stated that she was busy all this while. The lone wolf even motivated her viewers to keep working on their dreams, and do something every day that makes them come closer to their goals. Mary concluded her caption with laughing emojis, "Even if you want to get married 4 times in a week, do it." Mary Brown's toxic and failed marriage was a part of the Sister Wives shows. Viewers saw everything that she had to undergo. Yet the celeb didn't give up and jumped back into the dating realm. Mary introduced Amos to the world and appeared to be head over heels in love with him. However, her relationship was a short-lived one and she had to part ways because of various reasons. After all this, it appears that Mary is currently single and is perhaps looking for the love of her life. During a recent live session, she confirmed that she had gone on a few dates with different men, but the celeb stated that she hadn't been dating yet. Hence, it appears that she hasn't found the right one yet, while marriage rumors still surround her on the internet. Till then, Mary is merely focusing on expanding her career. She is busy with her new business and is hinting at many more big things to come. Hence, it is clear that the lone wolf's priority is her professional life, and she is burning the midnight oil for it. Janelle Brown doesn't mind expressing her views or opinions with fans on social media. She has been focusing on her physical goals for years. The Sister Wives star has been an inspiration to many due to her dedication to a healthy lifestyle. Janelle has also been a proud promoter of the famous Pink Drink Company. She has been working with Christine and Maddi to endorse the brand and help others in improving their gut health. The reality TV star has made remarkable progress over the years. Janelle has been going through a tough phase since losing her son, Garrison Brown. But she has returned to her routine and started focusing on her health again. Now it looks like the 55-year-old star has been a bit angry with today's generation for the latest gym trends. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has always been very serious about her workout session. She likes following a healthy lifestyle diet to stay in her best shape. The TLC likes everything comfy and convenient. Janelle loves opening up about her views or opinions on different subjects. Recently, she took to Instagram to rant about today's generation and their gym trends. She recorded herself expressing her frustration over what she has been seeing in the gym these days. Janelle pointed at the t-shirt that she had been wearing in the gym for years for her regular workout sessions. She likes the way the t-shirt covers her body and offers comfort. The TLC star liked the thin and breathable fabric to make the workout easier and convenient. Janelle expressed her frustration with women working out in crop tops. She said, like, who works out in a crop top? Unless you're 20 and never had babies or never had any extra weight. So, the 55-year-old was disappointed to see crop tops everywhere and not see anyone working out in simple shirts lately. The Sister Wives star felt that gym shirts can be used more often and provide great comfort. Several fans agreed with Janelle's views and felt the same. One fan said, "I'm with you. This crop trend needs to go." Meanwhile, the others felt that it was the best time for the celebrity to start her workout clothing line. Further, a different fan added, "I am with you, Janelle. They are missing out on a large population of people who will pay for a whole shirt." Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.